Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete chat in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat. I'm going to click on here to open my Snapchat. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to your chat inbox. Then the next thing you need to do is to select a contact that you want to delete your chat from. So I'm going to simply select this particular contact right here. Then the next thing you need to do for you to delete a chat after you have sent the chat, next thing you need to do is to simply click and hold down on the chat. So I'm going to click and hold down this, and this options here is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on delete icon. What is deleting chat? When you delete a message, we will attempt to remove it from our server and your friend's device. This might not always work. Like if someone has had bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat, what you need to do is to simply click on OK. Friends can see that you have deleted something. So simply click on delete chat. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply delete chat from both sides in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.